Welcome to the most beautiful yet deadly town in the Caribbean, Deshaies, Guadeloupe. Better known to fans as Honoré, today we're starting at the harbor before heading inside the real-life police station and the iconic church next door. Then we'll grab a drink at Catherine's Bar on the water. Welcome to the real Death in Paradise.
It was the former presbytery, the house of the priests that used to be there. Now, they sold it, so it's full-time the police station of the city. But Sunday school still happens in the side, in that part.
Moi, tu sais, je suis pas bien maintenant. Oui.